Good morning, dear students. Students, I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, as we have already done question number 1 to 3 in my previous video. Now today we will continue the same exercise 3A of your book. Now let's start question number 4. Okay. Now here you have given write in figures a part that is 561,000. But before doing this, see. Students, see, here you have given international place value chart up to 100 billion. Okay, but we have read about 100 million. Okay, beta, generally we read international place value chart up to million place. Okay, generally we read up to 100 million. But here you have given up to 100 billion. Beta, after million there is also one more period, that is billion. Okay, and according to that, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay, in that period is also having 3 places. Okay, students, as in Indian place value chart, the once period has 3 places and all other periods have 2 places now. But in international place value chart, all the periods have 3 places each. Okay, now see, this is the ones period, this is the thousands period, this is the million periods and this is the billion periods. All are having 3 places. Okay. Now see, question number 4, A part, 561,000. But in case of this, we need only up to thousands place. Okay, now see, in this ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and 100 thousands. Okay, 561,000. See, 561. So we will write 561. 561. Okay, there is no value. Okay, and for no value at a place, we will write zeros. Okay, we will put zeros. Okay, so this will become 561,000 because this is the thousands period now, and in ones period there is no any value given. You can see 561,000. So we will write 561, 000. Also you can write box. Okay. Now see one more question. To B part, 200,978. Beta, in case of this, see 200,000. So we will see up to thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay. Now here you have given 200,000. So in 3 places we will write 200 like this. Okay. 200,978. So we will write 978. Okay, this will become 200,978. Now see, C part. Here you have given 6,300,417. Beta, in case of this, we will see up to million place. Okay. Now, in case of this, in this place value chart, we will see up to million place. Okay. 6 million. So, we will write 6 at the million place. After that, 300,000. So, 300 we will write 300. And 17. 300,417. So we will write 417. This will become 417. 6,300,000 417. So 417. Okay. Now see D part, 45 million 201,709. 45 million. So we will see up to 10 million place. Okay. 45 we will write 10 billion. In case of 10 million, that is 4 and 5. Okay. 45 million. You can write also comma. 201,000. So in case of thousands place, we will write 201. 709. So we will write 709. Okay. This will become 45,201,709. Okay. Now see next question. E part. 9 billion. Now beta, in case of this we will write up to billion places. Okay. 83 million. See how we will write it. We will write up to billion place. So here we have to write 9. Okay. Because there is given 9 billion. Okay. 9 billion. 83 million. बेटा 83 million अब 3 places में कैसे लिखेंगे हम? 083. We can write 083. Okay. And all other places there is no value. So for no value at a place, we will write 0. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This will become 9 billion 83 million. Okay. Now see question number 5. Here you have given write in figures in your notebook. बेटा आपको मैं ये बुक में करवा रही हूँ, ठीक है? And for the homework I will give you the worksheet. Okay. Now see question number 5 A part. In case of fifth question, we have mixed Indian place value chart and international place value chart both. Okay. Now see 5,49,373. बेटा आपको ये देख के ही क्लियर हो जाएगा कि आपका ये इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट है, वेदर इट इज इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट और इन इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. Here you have given lakh. So lakh comes in Indian place value chart. Okay. So we will write Indian place value chart up to the lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Okay. Here you have given 5 lakh. So we will write lakh. In lakh place we will write 5. Okay. 49,000. 49,000. So we can write comma. 373. 373. Okay. This will become 5 lakh 49,373. Okay. Now see one more question. Here you have given 74 lakh. Okay. Now here we will write up to 10 lakh places. Okay. Now see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh place. Okay. 74 lakh. So we will write 74. Okay. 74 lakh 5,000. Beta, in case of thousands place we have given 5,000. So at the place of 10,000 we will write 0. 5,948. So we will write 948. Okay. Now see F part. Beta see F part. Okay. Here you have given 2,84,777. Okay. 2 million. So it is clear that this is in international place value chart. So we will write place value chart up to million places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million. Okay, here you have given 2 million, so we will write 2, comma 84,000. Beta, in 3 places. How we will write 84? That is 084. Okay, so we will write 084. 84,777. 777. So we will write 777. Okay. Now see last part beta. H part देखिए बेटा. How we will do this? 6,9,50,392. Beta, in case of we have given billion up to billion places. So see how we will write. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. After that million, 10 million, 100 million. After that billion. Okay, मैंने आपको भी स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया था कि आफ्टर मिलियन देर इज ऑल्सो वन मोर पीरियड दैट इज बिलियन. ओके, सो दिस इज दैट. ओके, this is billion. Now here we have given 6 billion, so we will write 6, comma. You can write also comma after 3 places. Okay, 6 billion, 9 million. Beta, in case of this you have given 9 million, so there is no 100 million and there is no 10 million, so we can write 00, 9 million. So 009. Okay, 50,000. So 50,000, how we will write in 3 places? That is 050. Okay, 50,000. 392. So we will write 392. Okay, once again मैं आपको एक बार फिर से बताती हूँ. That is 6 billion, 9 million. Beta, in case of million we have given only one digit, that is 9. So we will write 009. Okay, 50,000. Now in case of 1,000 we have given 50 and in 100,000 we have given 0. So 50,000, 392. 392. Okay, I hope you have cleared all these sums. We will do some more sums in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.